students. Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Subject is Mathematics, Standard 4th, and the topic name is Subtractions. Students, in the last lecture, we have learned about the subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing and without borrowing. Isn't it? Students, today we will learn the subtraction of 4-digit numbers and also of 5-digit numbers. Okay? Subtraction, we will do this. We will take a quick recap of the last lecture. Now here sum is there. 765 minus 464. Okay, you know that we will begin the subtraction by units place, isn't it? Here 5 units minus 4 units is equal to 1 unit. 6 tens minus 6 tens is equal to 0 tens. 7 hundreds minus 4 hundreds is equal to 3 hundreds, isn't it? See this. 9 units minus 8 units is equal to 1 unit. 4 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 1 tens. And 700 minus 300 is equal to 4 hundreds. Yes, dear students, we always begin doing the subtraction from units place, then we will move to the tens, then we will move to the hundreds place. Like this, we will move to the left side one by one, isn't it? Arrange vertically and subtract. Here two sums are given and tables are drawn. Now students, first we will write the given sum in vertical position. You know that vertical position means standing position. Okay, means one number will come below the other number. We will write the first one. Now we will start with 3, isn't it? In the unit place 3, tens place 7 and in hundreds place we will write 6. Minus 261 means 1 we will write in the unit place, 6 we will write in the tens place and 2 we will write in the hundreds place. Okay, we will put minus sign here. Okay, we will do subtraction. 3 units minus 1 unit is equal to 2 units. 7 tens minus 6 tens is equal to 1 ten. 600 minus 200 is equal to 400, isn't it? Now we will move to the second sum. We will write 783 in proper position, 3 in unit place, 8 in tens place and 7 in hundreds place. Then we will write 471. 1 in units place, 7 in tens place and 4 in hundreds place. We'll put a subtraction sign. Okay. Now 3 minus 1 in the units place is equal to 2. 8 minus 7 in tens place is equal to 1. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Means that is 300. Yes, we will read the answers. The answer of the first sum is 412 and the answer of the second sum is 312. Okay. This one problem sum is there. There are 4,765 literates and 2,142 illiterates in a village. How many more literates than illiterates does the village have? Yes, you know the meaning of village, a gaon, correct? And in that village, there are so many peoples. Okay, and from that people, 4,765 are literates. Literates means one who can read and write. Correct? Then there are 2,142 illiterates. Illiterates means one who cannot read and write. Okay? Now we have to find out how many more literates than illiterates does the village have. Okay, means we will have to subtract the illiterate number from the literates number. Correct? Then we will get how many more literates in that village. We will make a table. We will write units, tens, hundreds and thousands column. Okay. Now we will write 4,765 in proper places. 5 in the unit place, 6 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place and 4 in thousands place. Okay. We will minus 2,142. Now 2 in the units place, 4 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place and 2 in thousands place. Isn't it? Now we have written the sum in the table. Now we will do subtraction. Come on, we will begin with the unit place. That is 5 units minus 2 units is equal to 3 units. 6 tens minus 4 tens is equal to 2 tens. 7 hundreds minus 100 is equal to 6 hundreds. Correct? 4,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 2,000. Means this is a subtraction without borrowing. Isn't it? Now what is the answer? We got 2,623 more literates than the illiterates in that village. Okay? Like this, whenever you get the problem sum, first you understand, first you read the sum, then you understand the sum, then go for solving. Okay? Subtract 3-digit subtraction with borrowing. Okay? Here we will begin the subtraction from the unit place, isn't it? So here in the unit place 5 minus 5 is 0 and in the tens place we have to subtract 8 from 6. So it is not possible. So we will go for borrowing. Now in the hundreds place 6 is there. So when we untie this 600, correct? Now we will borrow 100. You know that 100 is equal to 10 tens. Correct? 100 is equal to 10 tens. That 10 tens plus these 6 tens, it became 16 tens. Isn't it? And in the hundreds place, 500 remained. Isn't it? Okay. Now we can subtract 8 from 60. So 16 tens minus 8 tens is equal to 8 tens. Correct? And in the hundreds place, 500 minus 400 is equal to 100. This one. Another sum we will try. Now in the unit place 6 minus 3, that is 3. In the hundreds tens place 0 is there, means 7 we cannot deduct by 0. So what we will do? We will borrow from hundreds place. Here 700 is there. When we untie this 700, we will get 100. We will take to the tens place. That again 100 is equal to 10 tens. So we will get here 10 tens, and in the hundreds place 600 remained, isn't it? So 10 tens minus 7 tens is equal to 3 tens, and 600 minus 400 is equal to 200. Okay, the answer is 233. We will read the problem first. There are 5,673 men and 3,768 women in a village. How many more men than women does the village have? Means again one village is there, there are so many men are there and there are so many women are there, and the numbers are given. Correct? We have to find out how many more men are there in the village compared to the women. Okay, now we will solve this. This is a table. We will write the places, units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, we will write the number of men 5,673. We will begin with the unit place 3, 7, 6, 5. Okay, now minus number of women in the village, that is 3,768. Yeah, 8, 6, 7, 3. Okay, now we will begin our subtraction. In the unit place, 8 cannot be subtracted from 3, correct? So we will untie this 7 tens. Okay, and we will get 110. We will take 110, means that is 110 is equal to 10 units, correct? 10 units plus 3 units is equal to 13 units, and in the tens place 6 tens remained. Now we can subtract 8 from 13, isn't it? So the answer is 5. Now in the tens place 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, and in hundreds place 7 cannot be subtracted from 6, isn't it? So we will untie this 5 in the thousands place, and we will get 1,000, and you know that 1,000 is equal to 1000, correct? This 1000 plus 600, it became 1600, and here 5 became 4,000 because it is in the thousands place. Okay, now we can subtract 7 from 16. Then what is the answer? 9, isn't it? 900. Here 4,000 minus 3,000 is equal to 1,000. So there are 1,905 more men are there compared to women in that village. Subtract units, tens, hundred, thousand. The number is given here. Okay, minus. We are going to subtract 2,567 from 5,002. Okay, now please give attention here, students. We will begin the subtraction from the unit place. Here in the unit place, we have to subtract 7 from 2. It is not possible, isn't it? So we will borrow from tens place. but in tens place, in tens place 0 is there, so no use. So we will move to hundreds place. There also here 0 is there, so then we will move to thousands place. See these students? Okay, now 1000. In the thousand place 5 is there, so we will untie this 5. Okay, we will untie this 5 and we will take 1000. And 1000 is equal to, first we will cut all this because the value changes here. 1000 is equal to 1000, isn't it? So in the hundreds place we can write 10. And in the thousands place it became 4. Now from the hundreds place we need the number in tens place. So again here we will untie this 100. Means 10 is there in the hundreds place. We will untie this. Okay. And we will get here 9. And 100 we will give it to tens place. 100 is equal to 10 tens. Correct? So here 10 tens. We will write. And then here we have to pass the units to unit place. So again we will untie this tens. 10 is there in the tens place. We will untie this. Again here it will become 9. And 110 we will give it to unit place. And you know that 110 is equal to 10 units. Correct? These 10 units plus 2 units in that column, together it make 12 units. Correct? Now we can proceed to our sum. Now see here, in the units place we got 12 minus 7. We can do this easily, isn't it? The answer is 5. Now in the tens place, 9 minus 6, that is 3. In the hundreds place, 9 minus 5, that is 4. And in the thousands place, 4 minus 2, that is 2. Yes, got this students, how we did? Did you follow? Yes. Whenever zeros are there in between, then here the last number will get 10 and rest all zeros will get 9. If you practice 2 to 3 sums like this, you will come to know the proper method of subtraction. Okay? Subtract. Okay, we will write the number. This is a 5-digit subtraction. Okay? 3 in the unit place, 4 in the tens place, 8 in hundreds place, 7 in thousands place, and 8 in 10,000s place. Minus 25,586. So 6 in unit place, 8 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, again 5 in thousands place, and 2 in 10,000s place. Okay, now we will start the subtraction. We will begin with unit place. 3 minus 6, not possible. Again borrowing. So we will untie this 4 from tens place and we will get 10 units plus 3 units, that became 13 units. And here 4 became 3. Correct? So 13 minus 6 is 7. Now again in the tens column, 8 tens we cannot subtract from 3 tens. So again we will untie 8 from the hundreds place. Then it gives 10 tens and it becomes 700, correct? So 10 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 13 tens. Here 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Now in the hundreds place 7 remained. 7 minus 5, how much? 2, isn't it? Now in the thousands place 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, and in the 10,000s place 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So read the answer. That is nothing but 62,257. Correct? Arrange vertically and subtract. Again 5-digit number is there. You know vertically means in standing position. One number, that is a bigger number, will come up and the smaller number will come below that bigger number. We will start writing. Here 3 in the unit place, 7 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place, and again 4 in 10,000s place, minus 36,564. 4, here 6, 5, 6, 3. Okay, we will put minus sign. Now we will begin. Again 3 minus 4 not possible. Here we will borrow from 7 and it became 13. So 13 minus 4 we have to do. Now we will write here 6 remain. 13 minus 4 is 9, isn't it? Now in the tens place 6 minus 6 is 0. In the hundreds place 8 minus 5, that is 3. And in thousands place 6 we have to subtract from 4. Again not possible. Yes, from 10,000s place we will untie this 4 and we will get here 10,000, means that is 10,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 14,000. And in the 10,000s place 3 remained, isn't it? Now in the thousands place 14 minus 6 is 8. And in the 10,000s place 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we will read the answer. In 10,000s place 0 is there, so leave that. We will start 8,309. Okay. Subtract. We are doing the practice by solving 3 to 4 sums. Okay. Now we will write 87,843. Okay. And minus 66,586. Over. Now, if you want to solve, you solve. You mute the video, you stop the video and you solve the sum and then compare the answers. Okay. See, I will begin here. Now, 3 units minus 6 units not possible. So, again here we will untie 4 from the tens place and we will get 10 units plus 3 units, that is 13 units, and here 3 remained. Correct? Now 13 minus 6 is 7. Now in the tens place we have to subtract 8 from 3. Again not possible. We will untie now 8 from hundreds place. Now here 100. 100 is equal to 10 tens. Correct? 10 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 13 tens. And in the hundreds place, 700 remained. Okay? Now, 13 minus 8 is equal to how much? That is 5. And in the hundreds place, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And in the thousands place, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. And in 10,000s place, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now try to read the answer. Yes, you are right. That is 21,257. Subtract. Now dear students, here we will not make a table. We will try to subtract directly without a table. Okay. This is in vertical arrangement. Now we will start from the right hand side. That is unit place, isn't it? Now here 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Yes, dear students, try to write the answer below the in proper places. Okay, in straight line it should be. One more sum we will take. Okay, again we will start from the right hand side. Okay, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Try to write one below the other. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. And 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So the answer is 42,016. Now you have to try like this without a table. Okay. Students, here we will go for subtraction with borrowing of 5 digits without drawing a table. See, this is the first sum and this is the second sum. Yes, students, you try this, you stop the video, you do this sum and then you check your answer with mine. Okay? Okay, here I will do 3 minus 6 not possible, so I will borrow, so it is 13 minus 6, so it is 7. And here 0 means 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now in the hundreds place 4 remain, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. In the thousands place 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And in the 10,000s place 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So the answer is 15,257. What is your answer? If it is right, then put tick mark or right mark. Okay. Now we will move to the second one. We will begin from the unit place. So 1 minus 3 not possible. So here it became 11, correct? And in the zeros place 9 will be there and in the 5's place 4 will be there. Isn't it? Okay. Now 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. And here 9 is there. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And here 4 is there. 4 minus 8 again not possible. So we will untie this 4 from the thousands place. So here it became 14. Okay, so 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Now here what remained? 3 remained. 3 means again we will take 13, isn't it? 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Now in 10,000's place what remained? 8, isn't it? 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So the answer is 36,678. Yes, like this you have to remember the borrowed ones and what remained and all that in your mind, and you have to carry out the subtraction. If you practice, it will become very easy to do the subtraction. Okay. Thank you, students. And see that page number 26 and page number 27 has like these sums. And you have to do all that sums as a homework. Okay.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.